So this is the document checklist, and this acted like a guiding form for me on what all documents I will be attaching. So I will go one by one, and this checklist will also go along with the application. So once the checklist is complete, I just click print form. First thing is application for Canadian citizenship, which I just showed you how I filled. It has to be completed and validated to generate the barcode. So I showed you my barcodes have been generated, printed and signed with handwritten signature. So that also I have done. Place the barcode page on top of your application. So barcode page will come on the top of application. That will be the first page, which when it goes to IRC, they should be getting that. Or if applying as a group oblique family in each individual application package. So for each application, the topmost will be the barcode page. If it is online, okay, physical presence calculation, print out. The next one is the online physical presence calculation, which I showed you how I did. Okay, that printout, or how to calculate physical presence calculator. This link, you can go and check this part. Ensure that the application date used in this calculation and on the application form are the same. I checked the same date. I have entered both the places. Color photography of all the pages in your passport or travel document during your 5-year eligibility period. Remember, I told that I have two passports. One is cancelled, which because I renewed my passport just before coming to Canada, and that is well within that 5 years. So I'll be sending both passport photocopies, including the biographical page, which includes name, photo, date, and place of birth, passport travel document number, issue date, and expiration. I've made sure, I usually make a checklist, and I have made sure that all these pages go. If your passport validity was extended, include a photocopy of pages containing the extent. Not in my case. If you do not have travel document or passport, provide an explanation in question 14 of the app. Not applicable to me. Let me come down. Photocopy of proof that demonstrate knowledge of English or French. If you are 18 to 4 years old, I will be submitting my IELTS exam report, the general training one. Okay, I showed you earlier. So this will go. If you are 18 to 4 years of age and unable to demonstrate that you have necessary English or French language ability due to medical condition, you must submit supporting evidence with your application. Not applicable to me. Photocopy of two personal identification documents. Must have your name, photo, and date of birth. If there is information on both sides of the identification document, photocopy both sides. A copy of biographical page of your passport travel document can be one of the pieces of identity. So to photocopy of personal identification document, I will definitely be submitting my passport, okay, and all details are captured there, and then my driver's license, which is the other document which has my house detail, the province, and all those details that I will be submitting. So with these two documents, this is also taken care. Two identical citizenship photo. As I said earlier, the passport photo and the citizenship photo requirement are different. I had shown this link, and in case there is any doubt, you can go and check this link for the specification. Then fee receipt. Once this payment is paid, okay, and that receipt will also go along with this document, and this document check. Come down, submit the following if any of the following applies to you. Use of representative form. I don't have a representative. Original police certificate or clearance, not required in my case. Original police certificate or clearances, as I said, in my case, I don't require this, so I will not submit. Photocopy of legal name change document, not applicable in my case. Request to correct a date of birth for citizenship, not applicable in my case. Further down, request for change of sex or gender identifier form, not in my case. Residence outside Canada form, not in my case. And then translation. This is also not applicable. So this is the checklist. I will be checking this box, online physical calculator, color photograph of passport, photocopy of proof that demonstrate the English knowledge. This I don't require. Okay, photocopy of personal identification document, two identical citizenship photo, fee receipt, and this document checklist not applicable in my case. So once this is done, I print this form also.